Good morning all. We are still on Koh Kood, but we are leaving today. We are headed to Koh Chang. So we were faced with a decision to either do the whole thing that you saw in reverse, to where we were going to have to take the ferry back to the mainland and then about an hour drive to the other pier and then another ferry directly to Koh Chang. Instead, we bit the bullet, paying a lot more money, but we're getting a private speedboat. It was supposed to pick us up here at the beach, but the waves this morning are a little bit too much for that boat. So we're getting a quick ride to a pier where we can get easy access onto that boat. And it's just private, it's just Apple and I, and we're supposed to be stopping at 2 snorkel spots along the way. So we're actually turning this into a day trip activity. Yes. There's lunch on the boat and everything else, so it should be pretty cool. And it's just us, so it's going to be very custom kind of, so it should be good. I'm looking forward to it. I got a lot of sun the last couple days. I'm gonna stay covered up today. That's why I got the swim shirt on. I'm gonna keep my hat on, I think. Okay, let's do this. Whatever way.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we are here. I'm gonna switch to the other camera. We're gonna jump in and see if this is good or not, but it's beautiful.
Which way are we going? That way or this way? Or it doesn't matter, baby?
You'll be going inside the buoy line, and then from there, I don't know. snorkeling?
It's so nice. The visibility is not so great, but we be able to see through that. Yeah.
And you saw an elephant.
I did. It's actually big, but with the trunks up like this, and then I go, what? Elephant under the ocean?
Okay, we are headed to, I guess, I'm assuming the second snorkel spot. We're headed towards this island, so I think it's just right here. I think the key is we are in competition with the other boats, so all of those other snorkelers are back there. So we'll have a head start here.
Yes.
There's nobody here yet. Okay, our second snorkel is done. Apple, what's going on here? I just came out of the water after you.
So we have food and fruit, watermelons and pineapple, of course. And this is Thai basil with shrimp.
Wow.
This is chicken, cashew nuts, and some rice.
Wow, that's a lot of food.
Yes.
Okay, Apple got out of the water before I did because she was cold. But, I don't know. Quality of the reef? Yeah, it's okay. It's just sort of average.
We get spoiled because we have seen the beautiful one in the Koh part.
Yeah.
Here it's just like me.
Yeah, we had low expectations anyway, but we're gonna make up for it in about a month or so. We're headed back to Papua, so anyway, this is what we're up to. Lunch looks amazing. And just like that, we are on Koh Chang. We are in Bang Bao, and we're gonna get on, I think, a Song Tiao transport truck and straight to the resort. right, everyone. So I'm going to show you the room. We are staying at the Dewa Koh Chang. We have a deluxe room on the ground floor, right adjacent to the pool. It's very, very nice. Beautiful room. I like this concrete floor and the bare walls. I really like it. I think it's cool. And stepping into the bathroom, we have shower back here, and actually, what else is back here? Toilet. Okay, that's the shower. That's pretty cool. And have our sink, and then we have a step-up jacuzzi tub. So very nice room. I'm quite happy with it. And stepping out of our front door goes right to the pool. So that is it, you guys. This is our room for the next 5 nights in Koh Chang, and we will bring you along the way and show you guys whatever we get into. Okay, now it's time to shower and get the salt off. I haven't sat down to test the mattress yet because I'm wet. So I can't tell you if it's a comfortable one or not. So we are now on Koh Chang at the Dewa, and Apple is already getting fancy on me. She already reserved a table on the beach, and there's gonna be a fire show at some point. So I don't know what Apple's doing. She's turning this whole trip into some kind of a celebratory something or other. But the view is beautiful. I'll turn the camera around so you can see. Okay, and we will be sure and show you the food because I've been slacking in the food department, but I don't know, did you order food or we're gonna order food?
We will order food.
But you didn't pre-order anything
yet. No, not yet.
All right.
I saw the menu, but you know, they make food for everybody, so it's no need for me to pre-order it. So we sit down, we order it later.
Okay, cool. Okay, let me show you guys the food, Apple. What do we have here?
This is pad thai with shrimp, garlic pepper pork with rice, and chicken skewers with my husband already ate it almost all already.
Yes, that's right. And Apple is making me be bad. So
everything is all right?
Yes, everything is good.
Fine,
thank you. So aside from the wine, now Apple's making me drink another alcoholic drink here.
Well, it's signature, the Dewa cocktail. I got the Dewa Smile, and this one is the Dewa Passion Black something.
Black honey, something or other. It's very good. I actually rarely drink, probably 2 or 3 drinks a year. I'm just not a big drinker. Got that all out of my system when I was very young. But Apple is a bad influence. So
sometimes you gotta be bad.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. All right, you guys, I showed you dinner.
The past, the present, the future.